So hello, and this is question 9, Factorising Expressions. So our study tip has already been highlighted for us. How kind, how kind. So our study tip is to find the greatest common factor first. So we've got 14a and 21. So the greatest factor, so what it's asking us to do is factorize 14a and 21. And this is practice questions, but I can also explain it to you here. So to factorize something, you essentially need to find its greatest common factors and put it into brackets and multiply. I'll explain in a moment, but first, what we need to do is find out the greatest common factor of 14 and 21, which will be 7, because 7 times 2, and then 7 times 3 gives us 21. And so we know that it is 7. So here, we know that the greatest common factor is 7, so we would do 7. And then here, what is something that we can multiply with 7 to give us 14a? So that would be 7, and then you can have 2a plus, and then what is another thing that will multiply with 7 to give us 21 plus 3? I will explain this in more detail on my video about algebraic expressions and factorising them, but this is just like the basics. So if you understand it now, you understand it. If you don't, you can just go to the video on my channel. Great. So, and also it won't be posted until the foreseeable future. So if you are stuck, I would recommend just going to another channel. So that is the answer for factorising A. So now let's do B. So 6m minus 8n. So we need the greatest common factor of 6 and 8, which I believe would be 2. So it would have to have 2 on the outside of the brackets. Now, what is a number that can multiply to make 6m, with m to make 6m? So it would be 2, with 2, sorry, to make 6m. It would be 3m's, because you can always plug it back in to check the answer. For example, 7 times 2a gives you 14a, plus 7 times 3, which gives you 21, which means that this answer is correct. So 2 and then 3m, so you would do 2 times 3m to give you 6m, minus, and then we need a number that multiplies with 2 to give us 8n, which is obviously just 4n. I hope you understand, and you can solve these two and put the answers down in the comments. Okay, thank you.